Hey guys, welcome to the help screen. This is how to remove shows from continue watching on Amazon Prime.
So guys, the first thing that you will do is make sure you have the latest version of Amazon Prime. And then this method that I'm going to show you is the same method on Android and iOS. So from here at their homepage, guys, just hold the show that you want to remove. So let's say we're going to remove a Reacher over here. Just hold it, guys, and then it will pop a tab. So from here, you will have add to watch list, share, view details, and hide this video. So guys, just click hide this video and it will automatically remove from your application. And if you want to undo it, just click on it again, and as you can see, you can unhide the video again if you misclick it. And there you go, guys. That's how to remove shows from continue watching on Amazon Prime. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.